A very good evening, and this is Harsha Ramaya live at 5. Wow, I'm so happy. So, today, yes, I know you all are searching ki where am I and why are you seeing this picture. So, what I have done is that I'm taking the picture first because we are going to now talk about this brain teaser which I had posted yesterday. सो जिनको भी नहीं पता है वो लोग इस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखें. इट्स अ ब्रेन टीजर. इट्स गोइंग टू टिकल योर ब्रेन एंड आई एम आस्किंग अ वेरी 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 सिंपल क्वेश्चन विच आई हैड आस्क्ड yesterday also. Which way is the bus going? Right or left? So you can see a beautiful picture of a bus wherein you can see two wheels, you can see three windows, and then rest is the story that you have to make. So now let me come into the picture. Again, I will put this poster, but let me now start talking and place the camera. Yes, this is so beautiful. Uh-oh, it's very difficult to place it somewhere. Okay. So, this picture, as I talked about, I did not show it this way because it has a mirror image. So, I showed you the picture. Now, very, very simple question I had put to tickle your brain was, which way is the bus going? And I received lots of answers in my personal messenger, in my personal WhatsApp number, in text message, in these comments. So yes, first of all, let me greet everyone. So this is Sharmishta here. Hi Sharmishta, hi Rupali. So nice to see you. So, ready with the answers? So this bus, let me now give you the answer. Before गिविंग द आंसर, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू कि कहाँ कहाँ आपका ब्रेन इस आंसर को ढूंढने के लिए घूमा होगा. सो अनुराधा ऑल्सो इज सेइंग हाई अनुराधा. So when I saw this picture first, what came to my mind was पहले तो राइट लेफ्ट कौन सा है इस पिक्चर में, विच इज़ द राइट एंड लेफ्ट. आई तुम्हारा राइट या मेरा राइट, इट इज़ डिफरेंट एंड आई वॉज रिमाइंडेड ऑफ दैट मूवी ऑफ सुनील शेट्टी. आई थिंक इन वन ऑफ द मूवीज ही कीप्स ऑन आस्किंग तुम्हारा लेफ्ट या मेरा लेफ्ट. सो दिस आई स्टक देयर व्हेन आई वाज सॉल्विंग दिस. I could have put this in Google and I could have got the answer, but that was not me because I wanted to challenge myself and then go to the Google and then ask for the answer. So then I was like, ये right किसका, उसका कि मेरा? So I was puzzled at that particular time. Then what I did is that I went in the picture and I said कि इसमें right left तो लिखा हुआ ही है, so इसका ही right left पकड़ते हैं. So what I did is they have specified right and left, so I stuck there and I said okay, now I have to see right इसका और left इसका, मेरा भूल जाओ. So first thing, that is what I did. Second, I got lot of queries also that ये इंडियन बस है या यूके की बस है या अमेरिकन बस है. So again I was on a roller coaster ride that oh my god, yes, I have to think that, but then again I brought my mind from everywhere that this question is asked to me in India, so I have to assume that this bus will be somewhere in India. So because I had to lock all the doors because it was taking me to a ride, because of lot of unknown questions and lot of unknown confusion. So I said ki let me bring everything to place. Then the first query I solved was right and left, mera ya uska. So I caught uska. Then I decided that this bus, since this picture is here, I assume that this bus is an Indian bus riding on the Indian roads. Okay, now comes the question, the bus कहाँ जा रही है, right जा रही है या left जा रही है? And I was like scratching my brains, oh my god, because the tail and the head, everything was so similar. If I could have found the tail light or the headlight or driver का छोटा सा seat होता तो भी I would I would have got a little hint, but बहुत difficult puzzle रहा. Then I got a clue. I said कि यार ये बस में doors तो हैं ही नहीं. Doors, oh my god, that was the first clue. That also I will thank some of the audience because when they mentioned their answers, they drove me there that they don't find the door. So that gave me a clue and मैंने झट से वो clue पकड़ लिया and I said yes, There is no door. So I kept the Indian roads in mind. Second important thing that was in my mind was the door. So then I figured everything slowly got on place. Then I said, okay, if this is the bus, I can see the windows here as you could see in the picture. So obviously the door is going to be here, this side where my face is facing. So I assume that I am coming down of my building, my apartment, to drop my daughter in this bus. Okay, any which way the bus is standing, I am standing at my gate, and if you are standing this side, you are able to see the windows, and I am standing this side, so I am able to see the door because my daughter is going to climb the bus. Obviously, when my daughter is going to climb this bus is going to go to the left, obviously to the left. ये इस side से भी left जाएगी और घूम के now wait. Now you got the answer that the bus is going to the left. Now you have a query. Still, you will not be satisfied with this answer. So this question will keep on your mind till you yourself figure it out. Then what I did, I said, okay, I have dropped my daughter in this bus. Now this bus is taking a turn. Okay, now this bus is taking a turn and it's going there to the opposite side. ठीक है, ये opposite side आ गई. Now I am able to see the windows and you are able to see the door because you have to drop your child. Your child is boarding the bus, and where is the bus going? To the left because these are Indian roads. Wow, what a crack I did. What a crack. Wonderful. I mean, it really took me not less than the entire day to figure it out because I was satisfied with the answer कि yes, bus left में ही जा रही है. But to my audience I have to provide a explanation which is digestible. Otherwise आप लोग सब मेरे पास ही आओगे वापस, मैम ये क्यों वो क्यों, and I'm so happy when you all come together like that. So this bus, any which ways it goes, since these are the Indian roads, it is going on the left. So bingo to everyone who've answered left. Wonderful. But next time when I post these kind of brain teasers, I want some logic also to the answer that you write. So this was wonderful. And earlier when my son was studying, I think in 3rd or 4th standard, that time I used to collect a few children and then I used to give these kind of puzzles to them, just to tickle their brain. And again, I felt कि ये दौर फिर से आना ही चाहिए because our brains really इस lockdown में जंक खा गए हैं. So I thought कि चलो कुछ ऐसा निकाले कि जिसमें brain की थोड़ी सी exercise हो जाए. So this was wonderful. And I'm sure you all must also have enjoyed. So I'm going to post this picture with this question in the comment box right there, and you can share it from there to all your friends and then ask them कि ये बस कहाँ जा रही है और अगर यहाँ जा रही है या वहाँ जा रही है तो क्यों जा रही है और कैसे जा रही है. So ask for explanations and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful time because अभी भी मैंने जब आपको explanation दिया है ना, I can bet कि इसके बाद भी आप इसके बारे में सोचते रहेंगे कि यार बस इधर डोर उधर विंडो, इधर बस का ड्राइवर बैठेगा. बिकॉज जहाँ से बस में बच्चा चढ़ता है और ड्राइवर की सीट, यू हैव टू फिगर एवरीथिंग कि वेयर वुड बी द ड्राइवर सीट, वेयर विल, सो एनी विच वे यू पुट दिस बस इज गोइंग टू द लेफ्ट. दिस बस इज गोइंग टू द लेफ्ट. वो आपका मेरा किसी का भी हो, दिस बस इज गोइंग टू द लेफ्ट. सो बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे ये सॉल्व करते हुए. एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग ऑल्सो आप लोगों को भी आप वंस व्हेन यू री सी दिस पिक्चर अगेन, आई एम श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू गिव दैट फन दैट आई एम getting at this moment. So enjoy this picture. I'm going to post it right, and all the winners who have answered it correctly saying left will be posted as a winner tag on this page tomorrow. So stay tuned. And what is there on this platter tomorrow? My favorite books. So tomorrow I'm going to pick up any of my favorite book. I'm going to talk about that book, that why do I like that book, what do I like to read in that book, and why you should read that book. So it's the book could be for anyone, for children, for adults, for anyone. So I'll pick up random any book because as I mentioned earlier also, that I have a small library in my house. There's a small corner because I really love reading books. So I'm sure that every one of us should cultivate this habit to read the books. So enjoy reading. So tomorrow I will be discussing which book I'm going to pick up to talk second. Friday, I'm coming up with an expert talk wherein I'm going to invite a doctor, health nutritionist, who's going to talk about why nutrition is so very important for all of us and specifically children. So, and Sunday, as I mentioned, there are two important days on this Sunday. Father's Day and Yoga Day. My God, what a combination! Father or yoga, zindagi mein nahi ho sakta. I mean, ladies, I can still believe, doing yoga, but men, I mean, come on, and that also on Sunday, yaar, possibly nahi hai. So what a jumbo combination, Father's Day and yoga. So on this page, I've invited a few dads with whom I'm going to play a little rapid fire round, because I'm sure when it comes to parenting and when it comes to home chores, I am sure that fathers are on the least number, अगर 10 काम है बच्चों के तो आई एम श्योर 2 ही करते हैं, 2 भी ज़बरदस्ती, और घर के काम है अगर वो करते हैं तो 10 में से आई थिंक हाफ ओनली. हाफ मीन्स जस्ट हाफ, तो उतना भी करते हैं. अगर कोई फादर ऐसे हैं जो बहुत कुछ करते हैं तो बिंगो फ्रॉम माय साइड एंड आई विल डू दिस, बिकॉज वाओ व्हाट अ लवली वाइफ and what a lovely nasiib you've got. So stay tuned. As I mentioned yesterday also, the story received a lot of appreciation. Today also I'm sure this is going to tickle a lot, and congratulations to the winners, and definitely do tell me a hi so I can read a couple of names here. Let me scroll down and say hi to all those who have joined in. So as I mentioned, Sharmishta, Pooja Kapadia, hi Pooja ma'am. Ashwini Shetty, hi Ashwini. I can see your enjoyment, ma'am. Of course, Sharmishta, you have to see, because मेरा दिमाग का दही बन गया था ये आंसर ढूंढने में. I could have gone to the Google and but I'm not that kind of a person. So to y'all also I will say, whenever I come up with these type of riddles and brain teasers, please allow your brain to work, because brain पड़े पड़े double नहीं होगा. That guarantee I can give you. Jalpa Trivedi, hi Jalpa. So father plus yoga, yes, absolutely. What a combination. I was talking to my husband, what a combination. So Anuradha is writing, no, my husband is very particular about this yoga, on even, oh yeah, yes Anuradha. So I told you that there are exceptions, my dear, and to your husband. Wow, Baki, what fathers I see and what husbands I see, majority are lazy lads, Baki, Anuradha, very happy to know that. So Ami Mehta is also joined. Hi. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to talk about a wonderful book. And yes, what you can do tomorrow is that any book that you like, you can post a picture of that book, and you can also write 2 lines that why we should read that book. I think if we do these kind of things, we can increase reading in this generation. So we see Preeti Narwani ma'am also. Hi ma'am. So this quiz, I'm leaving you with the answer and with the winners, and I'll be posting the winners poster tomorrow. But congratulations to all who said left. So this is bye from my side. Bye-bye. Thank you.